So it's about listening to your teams. Once again, it's all about listening to your teams.
Yeah, that's exactly right.
And understanding, hey, look, this is, look, salespeople can whine. They can whine like nobody's business. But at the end of the day, when they're out there whining, there's usually a little bit of truth to what they're saying. And the whole thing is, hey, look, nothing makes a salesperson or anybody more mad than when you start to mess with their compensation.
Exactly.
If you promise somebody a 30% bonus and you give them a 20% bonus, well, they're pissed. Where's the rest of my bonus? So it's about listening to your people and understanding what moves the needle forward. But at the end of the day, if they come to you and say, "Hey, look, if we've got 5 barriers to sales," the answer becomes, if I remove those 5 barriers, are you going to sell more? Or are you going to produce more? Or are you going to manufacture more or whatever? That's what it comes down to. What makes me a little bit of a higher income executive recruiter than some other people? I got on an airplane last week and I dropped $1,000 to go see a client. And I had done the same thing the week before, but it was $1,500.
Yeah.
It's we do these podcasts. It's about activity that drives results. It's not just what you think. It's not just the stuff that you have in your mind.
Yeah.
It's wait a minute. It's an immersion of how do we go get business, and that's what I think. The really good companies do is they listen to everybody and they say, okay, what do we need to do to drive the needle forward 20% more next week or next year?
And you know what? I'll take that one step further. So I think it's not only actively listening, which is a major leap for a lot of people, but it's actively listening and then coming up with benchmarks or improvements, whatever you have to do, actions that are mutually agreed upon between staff and management.